Hello and welcome back to the Mini Artist. In today's video, we are going to draw an American breakfast, an iconic American breakfast, which is eggs and bacon. Now, you may not have had bacon yet, but trust me when I say this, that it's delicious. And that's why we're going to draw this today. So pick up your pens and follow me along. To start with, we are going to draw the lower part of the bacon, the lower part of his body. So let's make an arc, just like this. Now for the body part, we are going to make him look wavy. And because of this, make sure that you draw the lines from bottom to the top. Something like this. And for the other parts of his body, the other side, do the same thing. But make sure the arc is a little bit biased towards the top. As you can see, the arc on this side is lower than the other side. And for the last part, let's connect the upper part together. Something like this. Now we're gonna make him look like that he's chilling with his buddy, the egg. Now imagine a slanted line like this, where we are going to draw the eyes and the mouth. Something like this for one eye, the second one, and the mouth. Now, since he's chilling with his buddy, the egg, we have to draw hands for them. And the first part is his right hand, which is gonna go like this. And make sure that you draw the hand completely and double line it to make it look standing out like this. This is for his right hand. Let's clean it up like this. This is for his right hand, and for his left hand, wait till we draw the egg first. Now, we are going to draw the egg in the shape of a heart, like this. And since some parts of his body is covered by the bacon, since he's on the front, we have to draw him a little bit hidden, something like this. It's for his right part, and this is for his left part. Now make sure that this arc of the heart matches up with the arc at the bottom part, like this. So if you imagine the egg going through, it looks like that. So this was the egg, and this is the bacon. Now let's give the egg a face, a round face. So draw a circle in the middle. Now do your best as to draw a circle, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Something like this. Now let's draw the egg's eyes. Something like this. this. And that's for his mouth. Now, if you remember, we did not draw the left hand of the bacon, and that was because we wanted to make sure that it doesn't interfere with the egg. But now, since we drew the egg, we can draw his right arm. Just make sure that they start from the same height, like this. Let's give him a hand. And we're gonna make it look like that these two buddies are shaking hands. Like this. Now let's double line them to make him look prominent. Like this. And for a little bit of decoration, let's add some hearts to the egg. And just like that. And for the right hand of the egg, we are going to draw him around the waist of the bacon. Something like this. So this is for the line part of the drawing. Now let's move on to the coloring part of it. All right, there you go. This is the iconic American breakfast, eggs and bacon. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.